Now, next landform, that is the Deccan Plateau and the Ghats. First, we will see what is meant by peninsula. The southern part of India is a peninsula. A peninsula is a piece of land jutting into the sea and surrounded by large water bodies on its three sides. Means peninsula is a piece of land and it projects or enters into the sea and surrounded by water on its three sides. The Indian peninsula has the Bay of Bengal to its east, the Arabian Sea to its west, and the Indian Ocean to its south. The Indian peninsula I will show in this map. See, this is a southern part of India and it is called the Indian peninsula because it is a piece of land that projects into the seas and on its three sides here to east, south and west water is there. To its east Bay of Bengal is there, to its south Indian Ocean is there, to west Arabian Sea is there. So this part is called Indian peninsula. This part of India is called the Southern Plateau or the Deccan Plateau, and this Indian peninsula is called the Southern Plateau or the Deccan Plateau. Now, what is meant by plateau? A plateau is flat-topped region that is raised above the surrounding land. It is also higher than the surrounding, but at the top it is flat like this. Means it is raised above the surrounding land. The Deccan Plateau region has many rivers like the Krishna, Kaveri, Godavari and Mahanadi. These rivers are rain-fed. They often become dry during the summer, unlike the snow-fed rivers of the north. As we know that many rivers that starts from the Himalayas and they have water throughout the rivers, throughout the year. But the rivers in the Deccan Plateau, they do not have water throughout the years. These rivers become dry during the summer because these rivers are rain-fed. But in the north, these rivers are snow-fed. This region is very rich in minerals. Some part of the plateau are covered with thick forest. These Deccan Plateau regions are very rich in minerals and there are thick forest also. This region has moderate climate, that is neither too hot nor too cold. As we know that in the northern plains, in the Himalayan ranges, their climate is very cold, and in the desert area, their climate is very hot. But in the Deccan Plateau, their climate is moderate, means medium. It is neither too hot nor too cold. To the west of Deccan Plateau are mountains called the Western Ghats. To the east of Deccan Plateau are mountains called the Eastern Ghats. I will show these Eastern and Western Ghats in this map. Here this Deccan Plateau is there, and to the west here mountains are there, and these mountains are called Western Ghats. To the east of Deccan Plateau, here also mountains are there, and these are called the Eastern Ghats. These mountains are not as high as those in the Himalayan ranges, but these mountains are not high as the mountains in the Himalayan ranges. There are narrow strips of plain land along the east and west coast of India, and they are called the coastal plains. Along the east and west coast of India, there are narrow strips of plain land, and these plain lands are called the coastal plains. Now we have to see about the islands. First we will see what is meant by island. An island is a piece of land surrounded by water. I will show one of the island of Lakshadweep. Here it is an example of island. It is a piece of land and surrounded by water on its all side. If you look closely at the map of India, you will find several small islands in the Arabian Sea and Bay of Bengal. You can see in the map of India there are several islands are there. In the Bay of Bengal there is a group of islands called the Andaman and Nicobar Islands, and in the Arabian Sea there is another group of islands called the Lakshadweep Island. These islands are part of our country. I will show these islands in this map. In the Bay of Bengal, here is a group of islands. This group of island is called Andaman and Nicobar Island. And there are near about 300 islands are there. And in the Arabian Sea, here also there is another group of island that is called Lakshadweep Island. And these both islands are part of our country only.